Hi everybody, it's time for my daily video journal, and today is Thursday the 3rd of September, so the video journal is for today's trade, early in the morning. Not so many of them, I had two, so let's dive right into it. So let's see here. Let's first take a look at the bigger picture. I will draw my arrow. So, as you can see here, price is in an uptrend, and I started my day around here. So I could see that the price has rejected up here. So I drew a resistance resistance area, and I drew a support, this box here. You can see rejection here, and then I have this one here, which goes all the way back and is taken from, you can see this area here and this rejection here. So first trade was a bit, well, I was lucky that it took my TP where I took half of the profit off, but the trade was, you see, rejection from trend line. I had have trend line here connected here, and here came a rejection, again rejection from the support. Yeah, and I just longed immediately on the rejection. Right here you can see I missed my take profit with actually a tick, and it went down again, took my stop loss in break even here, and I longed the second time. So it's actually technically it's two trade in one here. But I longed the second time, and this time it just barely took my take profit in half and went back down and took my stop loss in break even. So, and I had one more trade. As I mentioned before, I am trading futures at the moment in a short window at 1-2 hours, very early in the morning. So price went down, rejected, went up, and then used this support, red support line here as resistance and gave a very good rejection candle. Yeah. Oh, by the way, the first trade also had the bullish divergence. That's also worth to mention. So, but second trade rejected from this resistance that was prior support area down, and when it, yeah, and I just shorted immediately at the candle open. In hindsight, this year I should have limit ordered or shorted up here, but I did it down here, and it ranged a little bit. Took my TP, took half off here. Ranged, nearly took my stop loss in break even, but I got lucky and it continued down and took my full TP down here. I had TP'd above the support area. Support area I have drawn from this. You can see rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, here, and here. Yeah, and that was it for today's two trade. So no more future trading for me today. And I wish you all a good day, and I'll see you again tomorrow with another video journal.
Tell them how you're feeling,